Okay, so it's the morning after, and I left them covered in this sheet. I'm gonna turn them loose. The idea is it was to keep them in there so they didn't, leave. So looks like it rained a little bit too. So we're gonna just uncover. And here they come. I just want to get them freed up so they can come and go. They need to eat. Alright, there they are. They're looking good. They're looking good. Let's spread this out a little bit so they can all. Alright, so the idea was to leave them covered up for about 24 hours, which this was way less than 24 hours. Sorry about my hand. This was way less than 24 hours, I get that, but I just didn't want to leave them in there too long. The fear of, or what we're trying to avoid was for them to abscond, which would mean that they just didn't take to the hive, whatever. It also allows them to home their position. So they're there now. I'm gonna leave that sheet like that till tomorrow. And then I probably need to open it up and feed them.